Good God, all the puppies. Poor Shia.
Yeah, Luna had a respectable amount.
Yeah, Luna only had 4 kittens. Shia had 9 puppies 3 weeks beforehand.
God, could you imagine if the kittens and the puppies were both 3 weeks old at the same time?
What?
Both sets have been born on the same day?
No.
Oh God.
We would have all
Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs? Mom and Dad are going to go cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs because guess what? The babies are just in there, in the kitchen.
And the puppies are just right there. I hear them all night every night.
Same, me too.
Luna's outside right now, ain't she?
No, she's
Yes.
under the table.
No. Oh, okay.
I was going to say she's outside when we get better with the babies.
You can look at them. She
Don't
won't.
pick them up, please. They're way too young to be handed too much.
That's what we need to look at.
Since they're my cat's babies, really the only one who should be picking them up and handling them is me.
Nobody needs to pick them up and handle them at this age.
Except
We had to get them to safety, but
I really feel for her.
who? Luna? Chaz is not on a team.
He'll push somebody off.
he's hungry enough.
Look, that one just was flump, 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 flump. He pushed that big one off.
Now he's pushing the run off. He wants one run, Tom. He's upside down.
I'm getting this whole thing on video.
Mama, the run is not one you're looking at. Oh wait, she's the one with more white on her, ain't she?
Mm-hmm.
Good God Almighty! You can see all 9 puppies clearly on this thing, on this floor. Not in there, you can't.
But
Look at all the butts.
You gotta do wiggly tails. Somebody lost a teat.
there's a good one open.
No, it ain't.
Duck just found it.
Duck.
Ladybird's left hers and going to somebody else's. Taking Chaz's.
Yep. Nope.
He says, I can't have it.
Mine.
Going back to hers, I guess.
Nope.
No, she's still trying to take Chaz's. Now she's trying to take the run.
Eh.
And
Shia, I really feel for you.
she did it. The run's off Pete.
Chrissy, fix her.
Get her up here because there's a good one open right up here.
There you go, baby. There you go. You got it? Yeah, she got it. She latched.
No, she ain't.
Yes, she is.
That other puppy's ear is on it.
She latched onto the bottom one.
This one's coming in from the upside down for her.
I know. I'm videotaping it all. I think I'm going to try to post this on YouTube.
She flipped.
It's dinner time at the Lab household in North Carolina.
Just say, poor mommy.
Poor mommy.
They're only 3 weeks. Still got a long way to go.
These are some big ass puppies for 3
Please
weeks.
don't cuss on it.
I'm not saying a bad dad word. Anyway, these are some big old
I
puppies.
think everybody's getting full.
This one here is the biggest pup. Let me get a better hold on her. 9 puppies total. 8 girls. 1 male. Anybody want a female puppy, let me know, because the male's staying with us. Just
Okay. Stop that.
type it on Facebook and let me know. Not Facebook.
Stop.
YouTube. Excuse me. Let me know. Alright. And we're